So AI has been around for quite some time now, and Google has been really boasting about its generative AI feature in building Google Ads campaigns. So in this video, I am going to be putting that to the test and seeing exactly how the generative AI feature within Google Ads actually does with helping me set up a campaign. And this is all for fun. I just want to see exactly how it does and give my live feedback. And to be very honest, I am very skeptical about what it's going to return back to me, but I'm going to go in it with an open mind and give it as much quality data as possible so it can give me the best campaign possible. So that's really important when it comes to AI. A lot of people say bad things about it, but it's because they're not giving AI the right inputs in order to get a good output. So I'm going to go ahead and set up a new campaign. I'm going to select sales and general search campaign. I want to get site visits as well as phone calls. And I'm going to select continue. I want it to focus on conversions. And it's going to take me here where it's going to want me to opt into the search network. And if you know and watch any of my videos, you know how I feel about all these different things. So I typically opt out of all of this. I don't like using broad match. This is for a restaurant client, so it's not going to be the best use of their dollars to use that. Okay, so this is actually where the AI comes into place, the generative AI. So it's not with the settings, it's actually with your keyword and asset generation, which is probably where most of the advertisers tend to find the most issues and the most hiccups when it comes to even getting started. They tend to see this part and then they run away because it's a lot of information that's being required of them and they don't have time to sit here and come up with something creative or something useful or to read up on the best practices. So then a lot of people just don't even continue with creating an account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to import the URL we're going to send traffic to, and I'm going to let AI do its thing. So it is a beta, so that is the warning here. What makes your products or services unique? Okay, well, this is a Italian restaurant in the heart of Portland serving southern Mediterranean food. Just opened up a bar. Let me see what else. Handmade pastas and Italian cocktails. Okay, we'll see what it comes back with. Actually, okay, let me give it a little bit more information. I'm just going to copy from their website. That's what just came from my brain, but here's some more information. Okay, let's go ahead and see what it comes back with. I'm going to click on generate. Okay. So based off of what I gave it, this is what it came back with. Italian menu, cafe menu, salad place, restaurant takeout, Dolly Olive Portland, Dolly Olive Portland, Oregon, Dolly and Olive restaurant dinner. Okay. And notice how it's all in broad match, which is just what you would expect from Google. It's very vague. Based off of the information that I gave it, here's the thing. I know I didn't give a ton of information, but I think I gave it enough to help me come up with better keywords like Italian restaurant. Did I say where? Yes. The fact that it didn't even come back with Italian restaurant in Portland, Southern Mediterranean restaurant in Portland, that's really bad. because this is what I gave it. And there's a lot of good keywords in here already. But the fact that it came back with menu, cafe menu, this is not as precise as I would like it. In fact, it's super broad. It's salad place. No, I would not use this keyword. Restaurant takeout, too broad. These are probably the only two keywords I would actually use in my actual campaign. Other than that, everything else is junk. So far with the keywords that it gave me, not good. You might come back and make a comment on this video saying that I didn't give it enough information, but I felt like I gave it enough in order to give me at least a few good keywords, but it didn't give me, it only gave me 2 decent keywords, and they were branded keywords. So I would actually go after keywords like Portland Italian restaurant, Southern Mediterranean Portland restaurant. I would geo-modify the searches or the keywords. I would even put downtown Portland because that's where it is. Did I mention that? Okay, I didn't write downtown Portland, so it's not really, Google's fault, but I would add that in here. And I would be using more exact match than broad, because if you select cafe menu, if someone's looking for Starbucks, Google's going to show you for that. So that's the danger with broad match. Let's see what it does for the ads, or what it has for the ads. Okay. Oh, it didn't even give me any headlines. Oh, here it is. Here are the headlines that it came back with. Dine-in available, suitable for comfort food. Dolly Olive, okay, that's the brand name. Popular for lunch. Delivery available. I guess that's okay. Available for reservations. Healthy products available. Not good. Hard liquor available. Not good. Small plates available. Good for solo dining. Table service available. Desserts. Everything's available. Nothing is unique here. It's bad. Not good. And these are the keywords that it gave. And here are the actual headlines that it's suggesting. Not good. I wouldn't use, the only one that I would use is the brand name. Other than that, not good. Click done. Next. Okay. This is where Google is going to rob you if you're not paying attention. This is where it gives you a recommendation on how much budget to spend per day. It's giving you these recommendations, and it's giving me the recommendations based off of the super broad keywords that are that were suggested. So of course it's going to give me a pretty high daily budget. And in fact, it's telling me to spend $3,000 a month to capture all the demand for that. So no, I would always select a custom budget, put my own budget, whatever, and then click next. And then you can then just review all your settings. So really where the generative quote unquote AI is being used is for the keywords and asset generation, and nothing more beyond that. They do allow you to select your own settings, which is great, but as you can see, there's a lot of work that has to be done. Maybe I need to give it a lot more information than I did here, but I'm not going to sit here and write an entire essay on what this is when I feel like I've given it enough information to come back with some quality keywords. So that's that. If you found this video helpful in any way, or you were thinking about using Google's generative AI beta to to set up your campaigns. Hopefully this video gave you some insight. You could set it up and test it out yourself. There's no harm, no foul in setting it up and then potentially realizing that it's not giving you anything good and then just deciding not to run with it. Give it a shot if you like, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one.